right, so let's take a look at this. So here's the assembly dimensions. It's DIY for ages 14 and up. Not a really lot tells you about it around the box. I mean, over here, Spring and Autumn in the Temple. So we have SL05A, a DIY bookend, and then back here, kind of the same information. The product materials, wood, plastic, and metal. It has a PIR switch, equal proportions of real, so it's like supposed to be the right size, hidden battery. The movement hole is reserved. Additional music packages are available. So my understanding is this is like a 3D wooden puzzle, essentially. So let's open it up, take a look at it. I'm not entirely certain what we have here. So I believe it's a 3D puzzle that's made to be this book. Ah, okay. So it opens like a book. Wow, very interesting. So there's some wax paper here and a screwdriver. All right. This looks to be the battery compartment and like the lights. Looks like you gotta like wire all that in somehow. Got a couple little screws, and then it looks like this is the main stuff. So there's nothing else in this. So we have, what is this? Like an assembly instructions. Yeah, so we have some instructions on how to put it together. That should be helpful. And then this is like, okay, so these are the real instructions of how to put it together. You even got little stuff like a record player. Wow. All right. And then this is all the pieces. So I don't want to mix any of this up. It looks like you have to pop out each individual wooden piece and put it all together. So I don't want to mess any of this up because my wife's going to do this, of course, because she loves puzzles and is much better than me. So I'm going to take this all to her and we'll go show you some of that process. And so here's everything unboxed for this item. Now you're basically able to take these items and they stick on to certain items, and then you're able to follow these instructions to be able to put the whole 3D book puzzle together. And everything very easily just kind of pops out, like this little lantern. Just press it, pops right out. Now you have a little lantern. And after a few hours, you'll have this whole 3D puzzle together. Thanks again to the company for sending me this DIY bookend to unbox and show you what comes in here. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.